Hello.
Hi Raju.
Hello Tina. Welcome to the Temple of Chess.
Thank
Uh,
you.
okay. So I
So
think
today Raju is going to give us a tour of the beautiful temple of chess.
certainly. So if you can just capture this moment, and this is the space what we call the Temple of Chess. We'll go directly first of all
Sure.
to the passage where players sitting. Players always sit and practice their games, their read books. Okay. So this is a space and where we have kept all books somewhere, and players are sitting over here, and around 12 to 13 15 players every day coming out here at this place. They're practicing, they're utilizing the resources first. Okay. I'll start with first history of the Temple of Chess. We have started this place on 15th of August 2024. It was the idea behind this Temple of Chess is from Sagar Bai, and of course Amrita Bai as well, Sagar Shah and Amrita Mukal. Okay, the place where we have everything is all the books are actually donated by someone, and around 1,000 books we have for the chess player to use them, and use all the resources, the books, the chess boards, and all of the resources they can use out here. Okay, these books actually are donated by someone who is very special, Devdutt Modak uncle. Okay, he has given us a book. He has donated this book to this place, and later on we created the place, the Temple of Chess. We have some more book actually from the personal collection of Sagar Shah. So he has also given some books to the Temple of Chess. And I would like to introduce few of my players here who are actually coming down here regularly, every day coming here. So I'll start with Onkar.
Hi Omkar.
Hi. So Onkar, you actually this guy is from Karnataka basically, and for the summer vacation of 2 months, he has come to the Mumbai, and living with his uncle. And ever since I've just introduced this guy to the Temple of Chess, he's been so dedicated, so consistent. Okay, we open this place at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, and close this place at around 8 o'clock in the evening. But this guy is so dedicated that I have never seen him missing on a one day. Okay, he every day comes here, practice regularly, dedicatedly. He is doing all his work and trying to improve his game. Okay, and the second one I would like to introduce Maham.
Hi Maham.
Hi.
She's one of the regular member, and coming every day, and she's also actually studying, and apart from colleges and after the college, she come here, she play the game, she improve, and I think she's enjoying her journey here at Temple of Chess. You can share
How
your
are you
thoughts.
finding Temple of Chess? You're coming regularly.
Yes, I think this place is really awesome for chess lovers, and you can learn a lot here. And Sagar comes. I like this place.
Yeah, it's like a chess library. Yeah.
Yes. I just love this place. I don't want to go to colleges. I just want this place to be available.
Hopefully your college doesn't see this. Yeah, lovely.
Well,
So you want to share something about
Yeah.
Temple of Chess?
This place is very good for your game improvement and some skills. I came from Karnataka, and when I see from Instagram page here, this is free for all to come and improve our chess. And when I see that, I will come to Mumbai.
Wow. Amazing. So you come here and analyze the games, solve some puzzles,
Improve my
improve. Very nice. Lovely. Thank you for sharing.
Okay, let's say if this knight kills this knight, then what will you do? If this knight takes this knight, then what will you do? Very good, very good, very good, very good. चलो
Yes.
अच्छा है. Okay, so इतना समझ में आया ना?
Yeah.
अभी एक काम करो, इसको रिवर्स करो, उसको वापस इधर रखो. Keep that black piece here. Keep this white piece here. Okay. क्या लिखा है? Queen B6.
Yeah.
Queen B6 किसका टर्न है? ब्लैक का है ना? हाँ, तो Queen B6 करो. Queen to E6. Now can you follow this game?
Yes.
So I want to talk to her. Okay? Can I talk to her?
Yes.
Well, you can just come to the. I mean, like this QR code, anybody can scan, and if you can see the as per the label and the online online yellow and the label of the players. They can just get the complete catalog of the books which are available in the Temple of Chess.
So they can check their ELO rating, and depending on that, they can refer the books.
And of course, we have a catalog, the complete catalog of these books, and we have arranged the books in a very beautiful manner so that everyone, anybody can just scan the QR code and choose the book they actually want and they actually need. So these are the books we have available. We have already bifurcated and classified these books in the opening section, middle game, and the end game. Again, we have yearbooks, we have narratives, we have attack, we have defense. So these kind of categories we have already made, and according to these categories, we have classified this book in the different shelves. So this is a middle game shelf.
Acha.
So we have kept these middle game books in this shelf.
In the middle shelf, yeah.
Yes, the middle shelf.
Nice.
And the first one, or you can just call the last one,
End game.
is the opening actually.
Acha, it's this
And,
way round, yeah.
If you can focus here, and if you see O20, O18, okay. So this is O. I mean O is stand for the opening. Okay. So all the books we have already given the numbers or the alphabets there, depending on their category. That is for opening it will be O. For middle games it will be M. If you see there. And for end games it will be E. So it is very easy to find out all the books actually. Some more books we have available here. The shelf number 8. So this is classics. Okay, this is one of the category. Okay, all the classic book we have available in this shelf. They have given the alphabets and the number. Okay, so in according like in the just like I showed in the opening, middle game, and the end game.
Thank you, Raja, for explaining and giving a tour of Temple of Chess. Now we have Vidhi. Hi, Vidhi, and
This is Neeraj. Neeraj takes care of the Temple of Chess.
Hi, Neeraj.
He's the one who opens and he closes the entire space. Looks after everyone. All the books are being taken care of by Neeraj. And this is the cabin where generally the staff sits, or if the inside chamber, the temple space is overfilled, then we also sometimes invite people to come sit here. If there is a guest speaker who has come, so we allow, we make sure that they are seated comfortably over here. This is a space. First, you can see all these pictures. So these were the pictures that we got printed during the Olympiad. Most of them are clicked by our team. I think most of them are clicked by Amrita. So we had gotten these pictures clicked during the Olympiad when we were doing like a short quiz at the Phoenix Mall with all the club members on who is their favorite team for winning the Olympiad. So then we thought that this is the best space to keep them. And this is the collection of Sagar Bhai. So he had books that he had collected from very long time. Every time there would be a new book that we would purchase at our office, he would make sure that he would add it to his collection. So then he thought that this is a better space to donate his books. So these books are also open for everyone to read and learn from. There is Silman, there are Yakov Agard's books, there are Yusupov series, a lot of interesting and fascinating books that we have over here. Most of these are modern day books, as opposed to Modak Uncle books, who are all older books like more than 20 years or 30 years old books, and these are all recent books, 15-20 years wala collection hai pura.
So any book that Sagar has, he tries to keep it in this collection, yeah?
Yes, whatever he buys, he makes sure that he places this one over here. So since we are gearing up for the camp, Neeraj is helping
Summer
around.
camp, yeah?
Yes, we are having our summer camp, 5th edition of the camp that we have done so far. So Neeraj is gearing up, he's helping us with the counting of the previous edition sheets so that we can make sure we utilize them in some capacity. That big bag, that is actually the Chespa mascot.
Ah.
So we gotten this made last year during summer camp, so that kids
Yeah,
who are
it's right
learning
over
from
there,
Chespa
yeah.
books
Yeah.
or learning from Chespa sheets can get to meet Chespa as a character, and then we
Nice.
introduce Chespa during the inter-school tournament, which also we have this time.
Raju showed me the latest edition
Yes.
of Chespa
Yes,
book.
and it's very interesting that the first inter-school, the Simon was given by Vidit Gujarati, who was the one who launched Temple of Chess. And this year, the Simon is going to be given by Harshad Raja, who was one of the first guests of Temple of Chess after its inauguration.
Nice.
So it's very interesting that way,
Yeah.
So yeah, who knows what the future editions are going to hold, but quite a lot of parallels that we have. It always keeps going in a flow.
Lovely.
This space, last year during the summer camp time, which was during May, was when we were actually looking for an office space. So we have our office downstairs at the 4th floor, 407. This is 507. On 3rd floor also we have a place where we keep all our stocks. So we were actually running out of space to keep stock because we had books coming in. So we had a lot of stock overflowing and we had space issues. So that was when I was speaking with Amruta and Supriya, and we were like, let's start a space hunt and let's look at an alternate office or an extra additional space for the office to store our books or whatever additional things we are getting in the stock. And that is how I ended up finding this space, because our priority was something which is already in the same
In the building.
It becomes easy to
Yeah.
shift around things. And we found this space, but when we entered over here, this was taken from the perspective of having an office space to store our stocks. But when Amrita came here, Sagar came here, during the inter-school time, Niklesh had joined us, then he also came. So there was this thought that Sagar had for a very long time, that we have Modak Uncle books, we should be launching a library. So he was like, I want to do it in a bigger space, but let's start it from a smaller space first. Let's see how the response is, how are people receiving an idea of a chess library. And that is how, from the initial thought of having a stock space for keeping our additional stocks, we kept, it flew, the entire flow went into establishing Temple of Chess over here. And that is when Karthik also came in and he worked on all the decorations that are there in the inside wall. That is all taken care of by Karthik. So it was like, I managed to find a space for office, and then it became the temple.
Lovely.
And
but how did this name come up? Yeah, Temple of Chess.
So this is something that it came out of Sagar's head. Is what I remember, because every single time he would talk to us about this space that he imagines, where he can have a chess library where there can be Modak Uncle books and some other books, and people can just come in, they can read the books, they can play with each other. And every single time he would introduce that idea, he would always be like, and we can call it Temple of Chess. So this is how I remember that, the first time I heard it was from Sagar only. So yeah.
Yeah, lovely. I think I stay in Bangalore and I want this to be there in Bangalore as well. Lovely.
Also have something very interesting. This is from Chennai Grandmasters from last year, which was there at when we had this Masters and Challenge edition. So this was something that the organizing team had prepared. MGD1 had prepared these player cards, these player badges, and fans who would come there at the fan interaction zone, they could get these player cards signed by the players over there. They could get these player badges. So these were all the goodies for the fans. And बहुत सारे बच गए थे उस time पे. So then Sagar, when he was leaving, he asked कि बच गया आप इनको क्या करोगे आप? We can take it actually, and we can keep it at the Temple of Chess, so that whenever we are doing some interesting events at the temple weekend if we are doing some event or something. So then we can give these as gifts, and it would be a nice memory for everyone.
Yeah.
कि CGM का हमको card मिला, we got this Arjun का badge, we got this Ronak का badge. So yeah, this is also very interesting. Like we keep getting things now, a lot of spaces, a lot of people, and
One thing I really like is everything is free. Yeah, they just come, utilize it,
yes.
and make
Yes.
proper use of it for their chess journeys.
Yes, yes. We're trying to do new things also. We're trying, like Sneha Vaikar, she comes here. She gives chess boxing lessons to little kids. और वो देखने के बाद so many adults have responded to us कि हमारे लिए भी कुछ कर लो. So sometimes there are a lot of people who want to do, sometimes there are not many people who want to do. So we are trying to explore different things that people would like and trying to bring it to everyone over here, you know, for free or for minimal costs, whatever, however it is feasible for the trainers. But it's been very interesting so far.
Yeah. I think it's a beautiful. At the moment I saw the launch of Temple of Chess, I think August 2024.
14th, 15th August के आसपास.
अच्छा, it's been about 8 months है ना. तो I was like, जिस दिन मैं मुंबई जाऊंगी उस दिन मुझे Temple of Chess जरूर जाना है. So thank you so much for the wonderful tour, Raju, and you have given me today.
Thank you. for having me.
I hope a lot of people watch this and get to know more about it and come here, utilize the space, the books, and thank you so much, Vidhi. Thank you, Neeraj.
मैं यहाँ पे आके जो मैंने चेस ड्रॉप कर दिया था, 6 साल नहीं खेला टेम्पल ऑफ चेस की वजह से। टेम्पल ऑफ चेस की वजह से मैंने फिर से चेस खेलना स्टार्ट किया और मेरा गेम बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ। और फिनिक्स में मैं अभी टूर्नामेंट हुआ था सैटरडे, तो 5th आया था।
Oh, congratulations. अच्छा, उस दिन बोल रहे थे कि फिनिक्स 4:30 बंद हो रहा है क्योंकि वो भी पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं। अच्छा।
4:30 को टेम्पल बंद किया था,
हाँ।
पार्टिसिपेट किया था।
So
Nice.
he doesn't play tournaments because like he was saying कि 6 साल का gap हो गया है. So he doesn't play a lot of tournaments. Whatever he plays over here only. So I was very pleasantly surprised जब मैंने उसका entry देखा Phoenix के उसमें.